me and TJ's running around here today, you know, just scouting the creek here, and I'm in a new place. Kind of just, we're gonna fish a little bit, and we're gonna, you know, we're looking for some places to deer hunt, and maybe some ginseng. More than likely, ginsenging's over. Maybe not, but probably. But got a creek right here. It's probably gonna be smallmouth, red eyes, that sort of thing, but it's raining, so bear with me. I'm gonna get over the hill here and see if we can't catch a couple. Beautiful hole of water here. I got that Black Nat Super Striker Joe fly on from the other day. I'm just gonna leave it on for a second. We got a little break in the rain, so. Oh, I got one. First cast. A little smallmouth. Look at there, boys. First cast. Little old creek smallie. They'll grow up one day. Easy, buddy. Ah, there he went. One just knocked slack in it. There's got to be concentrations of fish in this big old holes here. TJ's got him one. A little smallmouth.
That old freezer, whatever stuff that is out there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a decent one.
Yeah,
I just missed one.
yeah. No one's fishing for them. Everybody fishes live bait around here. It's crazy. Here, buddy.
Nice little, that's a nice little creek smallie. Nice little bass. Green pumpkin tube. Killer. I might have put my hogs on. Ah, I missed another one. There's one. That looks like a damn trout. That big old horny head. There's your catfish bait, fellas. There was another one. There's one. Hey, got off. That was a smallmouth. There's one. Another big old horny head. Yeah. Old horny head. Foul fish, whatever you want to call them. There's a smallmouth. There we go. Get up here. Nice little creek smallie there, guys. Out of here. Now I try to get back up out of here without hurting myself. You talking about slick, fellas? By God, I tell you what, these rocks are freaking slick. Hurt you bad slick. Yeah, they're. That's what all them pecks are, them creek chubs. Time out, boys. I got to come out of this jacket. Jesus, man. I switched up. I know there's some decent smallies in front of me, so let's throw this hogs out there and find one.
There's a train cluster right down here in front of the hill. You can go out, drive out to. It's got several big ones already. Small structures in it.
Uh-huh. Man, hell, I can break out a bait caster in holes like this. There's a good one. There we go. Man, something been trying to eat him, guys. Ha! There's a nut. Oh, that's a good one there. That's, oh! Oh, hey, that was 14 inches long. Damn, boys, that was a decent fish there. There's another one. Ah, damn. All right, guys, if I can't get a good one out of here, they're stacked up behind this big rock right here in this eddy. Look there. That's a good one there, fellas. Good Lord, good smallie, good smallie, good smallie. There we go. Nah, oh, come on. Messing with him too much. All right, guys, spot number one, total success. I had one smallie on there about 14 inches long, messing around with him, trying to get some footage of him swimming or whatever, but TJ caught him a couple, and off to the next spot. Yeah, around them piers. All right, y'all, we're at another spot, and we had to come over in here and, you know, just look around a little bit because it still looks good in here for ginseng, boys. I got ginseng on the membrane, you know, but when it's gone, man. It just ain't, it's hard for me to accept every year, you know. I sure do wish it'd grow all year. There's a bunch of smallies in this creek. Like I said, that TJ turned me on to all this, so. And I hooked a couple good ones down here a while ago, so we're gonna mess around and try to catch 1, 2, or 3 pound. That Z, man, that hogs, man, they're tearing it up. He caught his on a tube, but, you know, it ain't gonna be real difficult to catch these creek fish, but I'd like to catch one. You know, 16, 18 inches long, couple 2 or 3 pounds out of this little creek. That'd make me feel good. Let's go see if we can camera off and took a couple steps, and right here I got my first fresh rub of the year, and that's fresh. That's been done probably the last 24 hours or so, I'd say. That's fresh. Shavings are still laying right here on the ground. Don't look like there's a scrape in front of it or nothing, but definitely, and his other side of his horn's been getting this tree here, so you know, you never know, we're liable to hunt in here the next couple days. Right here's our first scrape. You can see it here. A day or two ago it was clean. Yeah, there's the first scrape. It has begun, fellas. It has begun. I can't wait to get my ass up a tree. Get him? There we go. Guys, there's TJ's little smallie.
Pretty fun on ultralight.
There's a lot more of them here than they are Piney Creek, I can tell you that.
Oh, this chock plumb full of them.
Oh, where you going, dude? Where you going? Golly, like a rocket ship. Out of here. Okay, guys, spot number 3. Tell you, man, we got that front coming into West Virginia, and we got wind advisories in effect, and that wind starting to blow. And you can see here, it's big old hole of water right here, guys. Got him? Oh, he come off. I had my camera on. Was it?
Big old hole up above there.
Are they?
Yeah, the dam right there is the best.
Yeah, I gotta retie now. Glad I brought my box with me. Yeah, I knowed better. See what, Z-Man Ned rig heads are expensive.
I bet.
These are $6, almost $7 a pack for 5 of them. Get my money bag out here. There's a lot of companies that replicate Z-Man products. You know, their lures float and all that. Yeah, they're cheaper. And to each his own, but do you? Hell yeah. He just got my lure back, guys. Look there. Just got my damn hogs back that I just broke. Y'all seen me just break that off. See there? Put that in your pocket, man.
Shoot.
No, you can have it. No, I don't care. You need one anyway, man. You need to use it. There, he dropped slack in it. There he is. I got him that time. Lord, what a horny head. What's look there? Catching these big old creek chubs on this. I ain't never caught a horny head on a jig. Look at that, guys. Crazy. That's what all them pecks are. That's crazy. Catch them old big horny heads like that on a damn Ned rig. There's one. Ah, it's a big old smallie. Not a big one, but yeah, good one, 12, 14 inches. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one there. Nice smallie fellas right here. Nice little creek fish. There we go. Beautiful little smallmouth. On his way to being a monster. Like a rocket. All right, guys, we're going on to the next spot. Hey, we found some deer sign. Found probably where to dig some ginseng next year. Found some fresh scrapes, a couple rubs. I mean, we're about 40 minutes from the house. We ain't nowhere. I mean, just boom, we're home. So you might see us again down here doing a little deer hunt. That's my kind of hunting, you know, hunting in big flat creek bottoms, river bottoms. But we're working our way back towards the house where I got that appointment. So we're gonna stop at a place or two more and catch a couple more smallies. One of them be about 3 pounds. Last spot, and this is just a bunch of swift water with old flat rock in it, shelf rock and stuff. Just typical creek stuff, you know. Wind. God almighty. I'm trying to throw a Ned rig in 20-mile-an-hour wind. There was some lightning. Woo, shit. Guys, we gotta go. Yeah, we done all right. We kind of knew before we jumped over the hill there a while ago what was going to happen, so, you know, we knew probably that was going to happen, but, you know.
I think it's going to be that bad next time.
Yeah, I mean, damn. We do shit like this, man. The good thing about being a hunter, a ginsenger, a fisherman, you know, if you're a trapper, you know, if you like to get out and camp and all that, you know, when it gets too bad to fish outside, I go hunt something. You know, I can stay busy year round. I don't have to, like, concentrate on trying to get a fishing video. I mean, I'll fish year round, but, you know, there's always something I can do, you know. TJ does the same
We'll
thing.
be mushroom hunting, turkey hunting before you know it.
And you know, but I'm gonna go get my hunting license, get a couple things squared away with my bow. Probably the next time you see us, see me or him or us, we'll be heading in the woods to kill some deer. Because I'm an aggressive deer hunter like I am fisherman, and as soon as I start here in the next couple of days, I will be rattling and grunting and dragging a big Pink 69 rag around with me, you know. So the hunting video should be okay. I ain't never done no filming. I ain't never filmed no hunts and over your shoulder hunts. So y'all bear with me, man. We'll figure it out along the way. Stay safe. We'll holler at you.